Testing, testing. Welcome, welcome, guys and gals. How's it going? Welcome, welcome. Ah. How's you guys' day going? Let's go. Appreciate you being here, clicking the play button, or even being here on the live stream. That's awesome. I need to check something though, guys, before we get going. Okay, bear with me. Testing, testing, testing. Before we get going. Testing, testing, testing. Before we get going. I guess I probably shouldn't have brought up that, but does it really matter? I had to make sure that we're golden. Golden. Yeah, we're golden. Okay. Alright, I think it was fine bringing that up. Whatevs. Doesn't really matter. So, the reason I did that, guys, is because I had to test the last video I did on how to set up Unity. Well, I don't know, halfway or 3/4 of the way through, I heard because I watched my video after, right, just for edits, and I heard a click snap sound or something weird, and I'm like, what's up? And all of a sudden I had no mic. My mic totally dropped. So I'm gonna have to pay attention to that, make sure that we're okay. I don't know why it did that. First time, guys. First time. So since that is happening and we're starting off the stream a little bit oof. Starting it a little bit oof. Let's do this. Go! Once more. Go! Let's go! Good old Homer. Alright, guys. We're going to start here. Okay, appreciate your patience and understanding. Setting up and everything. Yeah. Okay, let's focus. Alright, you guys. So, if you watched the last video and you liked it and all that, double thumbs up. You're awesome. Subscribers! I appreciate every single one of you sticking with the channel and not being quitters. You guys are, every single one of you, you're awesome. Let's get that out. Oh yeah. Okay, so last video, I did a kind of a how-to. So I'm going to go over it a little bit again here because, you know, the end of the last video, well, I feel like I have to do it again. I don't know. So Unity, great old Unity, learnunity.com. They have tutorials and such. I recommend them if you're learning and new and you want to practice them. Definitely check it out. They have, before you begin, okay, I'm using, I don't have my Unity up yet, or Unity Hub, so let's open it. So you guys and gals could see. I'm gonna remove that. It's not deleted, it's still there. So right here, version 2022.3.53 F1. Okay, and we're gonna cancel. We are gonna create a project, just not right now. Soon, guys, soon. Okay, so there's that. Of course, you gotta create an account with Unity Hub. When you download any software, download it, guys, to your downloads folder. You can keep the setup file there as kind of a backup, if you will. Run your setup file as an administrator, and then always install your major programs on your C drive. Hopefully you have the room. Now I recommended a let's see, I'm gonna run this a sec here. I recommended a 1 terabyte, and I don't mean mechanical hard drive. Like now it's SSDs or NVMe, guys. So let me focus here. The color scheme on my PC was too much rainbow going on. I had to fix it. Stock colors, guys, stock colors. All right, so where am I? Yeah, downloading. I keep a lot losing track, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoy that. Yeah, lots of thoughts. So install your software on your C drive. Yeah, hard drives like NVMe is direct to your motherboard. That's like instant boom bang. There's no like a mechanical 3.5-inch hard drive. You got that little SATA cable. Data transfer rates are slower. When you know, obviously you got a cable between your motherboard and a component, right? I mean, hey, don't get me wrong. I still love 3.5-inch hard drives. I think they even have 2.5-inch mechanicals. I don't know. I don't own one. Never have. They really look like little miniature 3.5-inch mechanical drives. It's pretty cool. So I don't know if they're SSD technology, which is flash technology. But that's the same thing with NVMe. I have NVMe, so my main point is don't derp like I did, thinking, because here's why I purchased 500 gig, guys, because my mindset is I'm going to put all my pictures, documents, images, music, whatever, onto a mechanical. So that's my thinking. I don't store all that stuff on my C drive, right? I try to keep organized. So I thought, okay, well, Windows only needs so much, and like if you look, Windows 10 install or disk size maybe, or something like that. Disk size, I think it's like that. Requirements. Okay, that really doesn't show much here, but the minimum amount of disk space required to install Windows 10. Now it's going on to 11 now, guys. For 32-bit. Okay, well, I'm on 64-bit. If you see x86, that's 32-bit. 64, x64 is 64, guys. So that's your architecture. So yeah, 32 gigs. So you don't really need much, right? So 500 gigs is plenty to install Windows, right? And then whatever other software you're going to install, like some of my major important games I'll put on my C drive. You know, I don't mean to go on a tangent here, but I'm trying to help you guys, you know, be organized, I guess, with your programs and your file management system. If maybe you're not very good at that, but that's okay. Here to help. So yeah, getting into it. Of course, I have like a D drive, which is they're not very big, right? One's for games only, and the other one's for you know, my pictures and documents. Like all of this stuff here, downloads, music, is all linked to my mechanical hard drive. Okay, and then the C drive is my NVMe, and I try to keep that, you know, less than 75%, you know, capacity or used, or 80%, whatever. I'm at 50, I think. I'll have to double check. Properties. Oh, I'm way less than that. So I'm doing really good. I'm using 170 gigs divided by, it's not an actual 500 gig. It's more like 464 because, what is 1,000 bytes? It's 1,024 or something like that. Can't think off the top of my memory. times 100. So I'm using literally only 37% of my C drive, which is really good. So I have lots of room for programs. I have any programs I'm working on in Unity, I'm saving to my C drive right now. If I need an extra SSD or mechanical, I'll just get one. All right, let's carry on. All right, guys, so check your space, right? You just go into your file explorer, right? What's up? File explorer, and then you just right click properties. Okay, it's that easy. Okay, let's see here. Hold up a sec. Kind of lost my pictures I was looking at here. No, it's not this one. Right here. I don't really need it, but that's okay. All right, let's focus. Okay, so again, download and install. I might keep this video short, and then this will be kind of an install and setup video again for you guys, because since the last one kind of derped on me, so I feel like I should do a bit better for you. All right, download and install Unity Hub, right? There's a link here. Again, learn.unity. That's long, so I'm not going to paste that. Just search learn.unity.com/tutorial. Hopefully you'll find it. Okay, all this right here. That's all you need. Okay. All right. They give you kind of an explanation. You can zoom the image and everything, right? Shows you where you can install. This is the hub, you guys. Okay, so you know. All right, the hub. All right, and if you, not new project, cancel. If you go to installs and then you click install editor, you can see, right? I got the most recent version of 2022, right? And then of course, yay, they got Unity 6 now out. So eventually I think, I don't know how long before it happens, but this might not be supported anymore, and they're working towards Unity 6. Okay, that's my understanding. Okay. All right, what else? Install a new version of Unity, right? Pick your version, guys, right? Obviously, you want the most current, right? Now, if you have the room, go with Unity 6. If you want to wait, like if you're just practicing, like I say, guys, or recommend, if you're just practicing, just get the most current version of Unity 2022. Okay, I want to make sure that I haven't lost sound here. If you're just practicing, just get the... Okay, good. All right, I gotta check on that once in a while, because I don't know. My mic crapped on me last time, guys. I'm not sure why. All right, just happened. Okay, so, and again, LTS, long-term support, right? Which is great. That means they're committed to updates and what else not, right? Again, I showed you guys, like, I'm on Windows. So I already have Visual Studio 2022 installed. You check out my last video, the link's there. I'll try to paste that information in this video as well for you guys in case you need it. Visual Studio 2022, you're gonna need it, right? Because you have to do a little bit of code behind, which is great. And also, I recommend you learn C#, right? My first language was C++. Now, if you have learned C++, don't worry. Learning coding in C# is going to be like an easy car ride on Sunset Boulevard for you. All right. There's a link also for you guys if you need to learn C#, right? You need to kind of get a good understanding of how coding works. Okay? All right, let's carry on. Accept any unnecessary terms and conditions. And then this is where you got to create a Unity ID, right, guys? Okay? You got to create a... do I have this? Let me just see if I can get that link or that image for you guys again. I'm going to close this for now. Bear with me, guys. Where is that? How to install, right? I kind of already had this going for you guys. So let's see. So Unity Professional, download now, free. The hub, pick your operating system, right? And then create an account. Okay. Again, keep your information private, guys. Keep that to yourselves. All right. And oh, look, you could sign in through Google or Facebook as well. All right. And then that's it, right? And then they give you like a install Unity software kind of. You can start all over again, I guess, technically. But that's that, guys. Okay? In a nutshell. I'm going to crank open Visual Studio here quickly. Okay, now I'm going to show continue without coding. Now, once you have Visual Studio installed, guys, I'm going to end this stream and start again. But I just want to show you, okay, quickly again with my actual voice speaking this time, hopefully. Tools and get tools and features. Okay, this is kind of important with Visual Studio. Copy what I have, okay, check marks. Okay, if you want to learn C++, check mark that. If you want to grind code in C#, check this. If you want to do Windows Forms creations, check that. If you want to learn XAML coding, well, that's another level, guys. I delved into that a bit myself. But I kept getting it has to do with when you're actually running your program in Task Manager, like when you're working in Visual Studio, if the application doesn't close, it's still running in your Task Manager, and you can continue going back and forth between Task Manager and ending task, but that's a bit annoying. So WPF and UWP, but I don't have those. Something to do. It's trying to transfer or copy files from, I can't remember, debug. OBJ files to the debug or whatever folder, and it's a private or locked or hidden folders and such. So yeah, there's complications there. So, but anyways, that's not my focus now. My focus was get good at C++, get good at C#, and then learn 2D and 3D game programming. So here we are. Okay, all right, so that's that. So and for Unity, guys, right here, you're gonna need this. Okay, gaming. So check mark that as well. And that's all you really need. Don't get too crazy. If you want to do Android apps or mobile apps, you're gonna get stuff that's attached to your to up here, and even though you uninstall things, it doesn't quite get uninstalled or removed. So I was gonna do some Android or iPhone apps at one point, and then I just removed it. So but you can do, I believe you can do, yeah, you can do applications for smart technology or smartphones with Unity. So all right, there we go. So let's leave it at that. Bop, bop, bop. Anything else? Again, you check mark this. Add modules. You're going to need that, I believe, as well. All right. So when you're running through the Unity Hub install, make sure that's check marked as well. See, you could do Android and iOS. Okay, guys? Mine was unchecked. My focus is gaming. Okay, guys? Alright, I'm going to leave it at that. Thank you for watching. I'm going to start a stream again, so if you want to see some live 3D coding, definitely come back. I'll see you guys in that video, and wherever you are, hope you're having an awesome day, and peace out.
Maybe I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage. In the way I feel, can't stand it. Maybe I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage. In the way I feel, can't stand it. Maybe I don't understand it. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage. In the way I feel, can't stand it. Maybe I don't understand it. I don't understand it. I don't understand